Only 5% people clear RBI Grade B Phase 1 each year. And if you ask the rest, that is 95%, a large percentage of that would say कि सर फेज 2 से डर नहीं लगता, डर लगता है तो क्वांट से, सिर्फ क्वांट की वजह से हम फेज 1 क्लियर नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. Now, is quant that tough in RBI Grade B that it is acting as an impediment, it is acting at a blockage for you to achieve your dream job? तो डिस्कस करते हैं quant के बारे में इस वीडियो में. But before I start, I want you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon and join our Telegram channel. The link to join the Telegram channel is given in the description of this video. Quant. तो अगर quant की बात करें, क्या quant वाकई में इतना टफ है? Let's try to understand with an analogy. अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं, is it tough for you to stand or run? You will say that, sir, running is more difficult for me rather than standing. But if I tweak the question a little bit, कि अगर मैं बोलूं आपको 4 घंटे 4 hours you have to stand up, but you have to run for say 5 minutes, then which task is tough? You will definitely say, sir, standing is more tough. Standing for 4 hours is more tough. Similarly, in quant, you need to understand that definitely the questions are not easy. In fact, every question is not easy. Some questions are easy, questions are difficult. But what is the output required from you? Is RBI asking you to score 20-25 marks? Is the cutoff going up to that level? The answer is no. All you need to do is to score 6 to 8 marks out of 30 questions in the exam. तो इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में आप समझिए कि क्वांट टफ नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. अगर आप अपने दिमाग में इफ यू हैव अ क्लियर प्लान, क्लियर स्ट्रैटेजी दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू स्कोर दिस 6 to 8 marks in the exam, you will definitely succeed. I know many people would still say, सर बाहर बैठ के आसान लगता है, पेपर दे के देखिए, कमेंट करना आसान है, करना मुश्किल है, एंड आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्कोर 6 to 8 marks. ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट होंगे. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड योर एगोनी. फेलियर के बाद एक अंदर एक गुस्सा है जो आपको ये बोलने पे मजबूर कर रहा है, बट यू आर टेलिंग अ रॉन्ग स्टोरी टू योरसेल्फ. You are making yourself believe that quant is tough and therefore you failed, but the reality is that you did not have the right strategy. Now, what are the mistakes you are doing if you are still not able to score 6 to 8 marks in quant in those 25 minutes? The reason number one is that you are doing a wrong planning. You are not planning in the right way. Now, try to understand. You have 25 minutes, you have 30 questions in those 25 minutes, and you are just required to score 6 to 8 marks. Now, if I analyze the entire situation, 25 minutes, 6 to 8 marks, and I have around say 25 to 30 topics to prepare. Why the hell I would prepare all the topics when I know that in those 25 minutes, I would not even be able to read all the 30 questions. मुझे सिर्फ 10 क्वेश्चन करने हैं जो मुझे आते होंगे, जो मेरे स्ट्रेंथ एरियाज हैं, उन्हीं पे मुझे फोकस करना है. The point I am trying to make is that when you are planning to study quant, maybe first of all try to select the chapters which you feel that you have natural affinity to. जो आपके strength areas हैं, आपको पढ़ने में मजा आता है, उन chapters को चुनिए. Work hard on those chapters. Do difficult questions on those chapters. Do whatever you can in those chapters so that you are sure कि आप उसमें से एग्जाम में सारे क्वेश्चन कर पाएंगे. What about the rest of the chapters? वो हमें छोड़ने नहीं है, वो भी we have to cover at a basic level so that if easy questions come from those chapters, we are still able to do them. तो जो ये थ्योरी है कि हम 8 मार्क्स के लिए 25 चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे, हर चैप्टर को एक ठीक ठाक लेवल पे पढ़ लेंगे, अच्छे से कोई भी चैप्टर नहीं पढ़ेंगे, दैट इज अ रॉन्ग थ्योरी एंड यू आर बर्डनिंग योरसेल्फ विद मोर टास्क देन व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड. और मॉक टेस्ट को एनालाइज कीजिए, उससे और आपको पता चलेगा दैट व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ एरियाज, व्हाट आर द एरियाज दैट यू कैन फोकस मोर सो दैट यू कैन स्कोर दीज 6 to 8 marks in the exam. The second mistake which people are doing is they are not following the recent pattern in the banking exams. I've seen every year what they are asking in SBI PO is getting repeated, as in the pattern of the questions is getting repeated in RBI Grade B because the recruitment body is same. It's IBPS, right? तो एग्जाम में जब ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं, टैबुलर DI आ जाता है, अरिथमेटिक बेस्ड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आ जाती हैं, देन यू आर नॉट एबल टू एनालाइज के करना क्या है. आप कर लेंगे बट अंडर प्रेशर यू आर नॉट एबल टू डिसाइड, यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इस क्वेश्चन में करना क्या है, बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज काइंड ऑफ अ न्यू टाइप टू यू. तो वहां पे आप उस क्वेश्चन को छोड़ देते हैं एंड सम ऑफ दोस क्वेश्चंस आर रियली इजी. सो रीसेंट पैटर्न जो भी बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स में है उसको फॉलो कीजिए. वीडी सर हैज बीन टीचिंग दोज क्वेश्चंस from quant and reasoning in the live practice sessions. I am not sure where were you. ये क्वेश्चन देखिए, ये सीरीज का क्वेश्चन बहुत कम लोग करके आए होंगे, बट दिस इज नो डबल डिफरेंस बेस्ड सीरीज दैट कुड हैव बीन डन इजीली. सीरियसली, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू वाज जस्ट फाइंड द डिफरेंस 5, 10, 17 and then 26. Now from this difference you will not get anything. You again have to find the difference 5, 7, 9, and therefore you know that the next term is going to be 11. So here it is going to be 37. So this is again it's based upon the recent pattern in the banking exams, which has been repeatedly been seen in other banking exams. बहुत सारे ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हमने एलपीएस में कराए थे. सो आप पैटर्न को फॉलो कीजिए, हमारे यूट्यूब सेशंस सुनिए, हमारे लाइव प्रैक्टिस सेशंस जो होते हैं आफ्टर द नोटिफिकेशन उनको लगाइए. यू विल हैव लॉट ऑफ क्लैरिटी एज इन के क्या क्वेश्चन ज्यादा प्रोबेबल आने के लिए, क्या आजकल ट्रेंड में चल रहा है. द नेक्स्ट इज एंग्जाइटी. समटाइम्स यू नो एवरीथिंग बट इट इज योर एंग्जाइटी विच मेक्स यू अंडर परफॉर्म. प्रेशर, रिजल्ट पे फोकस करना कि मेरा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा. कट ऑफ के बारे में सोचना कि इन दिस एग्जाम द कट ऑफ वुड बी 100 एंड आई वुड नॉट बी एबल टू स्कोर दैट. यू आर नॉट लिविंग दैट मोमेंट, इंस्टेड यू आर फोकसिंग ऑन द एंड रिजल्ट which is not in your hand. So in anxiety, I've seen many people underperform. They're not able to select easy questions. They're not able to solve easy questions. Now I'll show you 3-4 questions which were really in the exam. They could have been done in 40 to 60 seconds. Now see this question. Two equations are given and you have to tell that what is the relation between x and y, that you have to find the roots of these equations and you have to tell that उनमें क्या relation है. अब quadratic equation सबको आती है. यहाँ पे sum of roots is -7, right? This is b, -7 is the sum of roots and product of roots is 12. So I know my roots are -4 and -3. Similarly here my sum of roots is 8, rather -8, and my product is roots is 15. So my roots are -5 and -3. Now can I find any relation between x and y? No, because here -4 is greater than -5, but here -4 is less than -3. So x can be greater than y also, x can be less than 3 also. So here we cannot find any relation. It was so easy. The most easiest question of the exam I would say is this one. You are given that these are two equations. These are three equations. Third equation is equal to sum of the first two equations. The third equation है that is sum of first two equations. और आपको ढूंढना है b plus c. So it's very easy. यहाँ पे 7 है, तो अगर b और 3 का सम करें 7 आए तो b क्या हो जाएगा 4, because first two equations are sum of the other two, sum of the sum of 1 and 2 is 3. So in 3 the coefficient of x is 7. So in 1 and 2 I have b and 3 as coefficient, so b should be 4, then only I will get 7 here. Then here 49 minus 13 is what? It's 36. It means the root of 36 is 6. So this is 6 here. Right. Now sum of 4 and c is 6. Sum of 4 and c is 6. So c is 2. And I am asked that what is the sum of b plus c? 4 plus 2, it's 6. So easy. Now see this question, quantity 1, quantity 2. I am not sure that why we are not able to do such questions. Now either you are not aware of how quant is done. Many of the questions can be done by just putting the values. You are given a greater than 1, greater than b, greater than 0. So we just have to assume that a equal to 2 and b is less than 1. So I will assume b equal to 0.5. Just put these two values in this equation. So it would be a cube 8 minus b cube 0.125 divided by a minus b, 2 minus 0.5, 1.5 minus 3 into a, that is 2, into b, that is 0.5. So I will get somewhere around, this will be around 5. 5 minus 3 into 2, 6 into 0.53, that is 5 minus 3. I will get first equation as 2. Then if I put the values in the second equation, it would be 1 minus 1 by a, that is 2, minus 1 by b, that is 0.5. So this would be 1 minus 0.5 minus 2. 1 by 0.5 is 2. So I am getting 0.5 minus 2. So I am getting something as negative. Right, here it is positive. So quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. Very easy. Next question. Now this data was given to you that now there are shops and in each shop there are number of blue plus red pens. ये आपको blue plus red pens दिए हैं. Some is missing data and the total selling price of pens in that shop is given and selling price of blue pen is 20, red pen is 15. Find the ratio of number of blue pens to the number of red pens sold by B. ये B है. B में टोटल पेन्स हैं 62 और टोटल प्राइस है 1080. सपोज कीजिए X इज ब्लू पेन, Y इज रेड पेन. सो X प्लस Y इज 62, right? X plus Y is 62. Now you have to find the ratio of X and Y. No, X and Y is 62, so the ratio of X and Y would be such that it can divide 62. So if I take 11 and 15, that is 26, but 26 cannot divide 62, right? So this is wrong. So I have to find something which can divide 62. So 16 and 15 can be 1. X is 16, Y is 15, that is 31. 31 can divide 62. So this can be one of the option. 15 into 15 is to 16 can also be one of the option. 12, 13 is 25. This is wrong. 13, 12 is again 25. 25 cannot divide 62. So only these are the two options. Either 16 is to 15 or 15 is to 16. So I'll just check both the options. If I assume 16 is to 15, then 16x plus 15y equal to 62. But I am given the price also. 16 into 20 plus 15 into 15, right? The price of red pen is 15 equal to 1080. But then into 2, because 16 plus 15 is 31. My total pens are 62. So I'll just multiply by 2. If you solve this, 320 plus 225, so it will come out to be 545. 545 into 2 is 1090, but my total amount is 1080. So this is wrong. So my correct answer would be option number C. So the point I am trying to make is I am not teaching you quant here, that some questions were really easy. Again you would say, sir ये तो आप बाद में कर रहे हैं, एग्जाम में मुश्किल लगता है. अरे भैया वही तो ट्रिक है. You need to control your anxiety. You need to work under pressure and find out questions which are easy. And if you have practiced hard, you will be able to find easy questions because you would have that hunch कि ये क्वेश्चन मैं कर लूंगा. मैंने ऐसे क्वेश्चंस किए हैं. क्वेश्चन पढ़ के आपको समझ आ जाएगा अगर आपने प्रैक्टिस की होगी. सो ये बिल्कुल बकवास है कि इजी क्वेश्चंस नहीं थे या इजी क्वेश्चंस हम ढूंढ नहीं पाए क्योंकि टाइम नहीं था. वही तो आपको ढूंढना था. दैट इज यू हैव टू डू. हु एल्स विल डू इट फॉर यू? द फोर्थ problem is the way we approach quant. We always see, quant or math as memorizing a bunch of formulas and then applying them. We don't practice. You can't learn to apply formulas until you practice. मेरे हिसाब से you should practice at least 2000 questions by the day your exam is being held. 2000 questions तो सर बहुत है. कहाँ बहुत है यार? If you have 365 days, it is hardly 5 questions a day and you can solve it. Come on. जॉब चाहिए हमें 30 lakhs की, बट वी वांट टू गेट दैट बाय जस्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग 100 क्वेश्चंस एंड आफ्टर प्रैक्टिसिंग 100-200 क्वेश्चंस और गिविंग 5 मॉक टेस्ट वी फील कि हाँ हमें क्वांट आ गया. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You need to put your time. You need to understand that if something is weak for you, you need to work hard upon it so that you can just cruise through that. So guys, it's a very common misconception कि quant tough है या quant level का है. क्वेश्चंस डेफिनेटली डिफिकल्ट हैं, बट द पॉइंट आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक इज के अगर आपको 6 से 8 मार्क्स स्कोर करने हैं, इट्स नॉट दैट टफ. सही से प्लान कीजिए, कुछ चैप्टर्स को सेलेक्ट कीजिए, उसको अपना फोर्टे बनाइए. रीसेंट बैंकिंग एग्जाम्स को अच्छे से फॉलो कीजिए. देखिए किस न्यू पैटर्न के क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. डोंट बी एंशियस, प्रैक्टिस हार्ड एंड देन ट्रस्ट योर एबिलिटी. यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड इजी क्वेश्चंस. इनफैक्ट यू विल बी ऑल्सो एबल टू सॉल्व टफ क्वेश्चंस. और क्वांट को प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. सिर्फ फॉर्मूलाज पढ़कर 100, 200, 300 क्वेश्चंस करके नहीं होगा. unless and until you practice 1000, 2000 questions, you will not get that knack of applying your mind and solve any question. So I hope this video will give you clarity as in how to approach for the next year. बहाने बनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. अपने दिमाग को समझाने से कुछ नहीं होगा कि क्वांट टफ था इसलिए मेरा नहीं हुआ. क्योंकि अगर आपको करना है तो आपको करना पड़ेगा और आप कर सकते हैं if you follow this approach. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.